everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see recently watched videos on YouTube. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead and open up your YouTube app on your mobile phone. Then tap on this U icon or your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on history, and here you will find all of the videos. You can go by videos, you can go to the shorts, you can go to podcast. Everything that you have visited you will find including the dates. You can see the dates right over here, and that's how you will be able to check out all of the history. And if you would like to delete them, you can go ahead, tap on this three dot, tap on clear all watch history, and you're good to go. That's all you need to do. That's how you can see as well and also clear. So that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.